Here it is. I bet you can guess what it is. Ciao my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with another unboxing, and it's something very special. I ordered it online, but we actually have a physical location here in my city, probably many of them, but it's a very big box and it came from here. But I did order it online, even though we have an actual physical location. My trusty weapon to help me get into this box. And let's get unboxing. It's super exciting to know that it actually came in a box. So, the scissors aren't working, my friends. It worked. So exciting. I waited for this. It was supposed to arrive yesterday and it was actually late. So, stuffing. More stuffing. More stuffing. Oh, and more stuffing. I think the box was full of stuffing. There, we got the handles free. I love this detail on it right here. It's very beautiful, but it is a very big bag, my friends. I only have maybe 2 bags in this size, but it's good when I go shopping because I'm able to put everything in the bag. But at the same time, I really do prefer smaller bags. Comes with handles that are actually very good. The seam is perfect on them, and the seam on this side is also very nice. It's got a nice glaze on the seam. This here is the glaze on the seam, so it finishes the edging of the leather. And this is also very nice. It's dark brown color, and it also comes with, I think you can make it to a crossbody and also a shoulder strap. So the shoulder strap is very thick. It's really very good quality. I really like how thick the strap is. It doesn't come with a lot of twists, this little twist, but I'm sure that will come out very quickly. But it's even got a little like a loop holder here. You can put your belt or your strap in it and it will hold it together. And sometimes you'll see me going with paper clips, like paper clamps on my straps, because I don't really like them flapping around. And yeah, oh, the zipper, my friends, good zipper on there. And it's also stuffed with lots of paper. I do keep those plastic things that come out of the box first. I do keep those because it's really good if you're storing your purse in a closet or someplace. Then it keeps the bag in shape. Oh, this is really a lot of stuffing in there. Very nice. The inside is very nice. Okay, so here we are. So you have a back pocket here on the back side. Very nice zipper. And here it is, good quality. I don't know if you can see, but it has the back zipper on the back pocket. Then it has a section in the middle that's also zippered on this. Here, let's try the zipper out. Yeah, very nice zipper. And also on the front side, you have a big section here. So it's like 2 little compartments plus the pocket. So there's 3 little places here. It doesn't have a back pocket or a back zipper. I really do like them when they have the back zipper on the back, because I generally keep my phone in that section. And this is what it looks like. So it really is very beautiful. It's classy. It really does remind me a little bit of the Hermes bags. And I will tell you a secret. It won't be a secret if I tell you, but I did order 2 other bags from Walmart, and this is the only one that came so far. But if you're familiar with some of the channels around here, they called it the Workin' Birkin. So I did order 2 of those, 2 different colors. I think they're both in different sizes. I think that's what I did. But today I got this one, Time and True, and it's a very good quality. I like it a lot, so I will be using it, even though it's a little big for me to get used to. I will try it. So my friends, I hope that you enjoyed this, and tomorrow I will be back with another video, and it will be about my Tuesday weigh-in and Mounjaro shot. And I have a lot to tell you all about that. So my friends, enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you again soon. Ciao!